Are you tired of answering video calls and you only see half their face? I am too. And my name is Justin. I work for Best Buy, and I'm here today to talk to you about Facebook Portal. Facebook Portal is a smart camera and smart display, making it easier to connect with family members, friends, loved ones, and even coworkers. So with that, let's unbox this and jump right in. On the front, you'll see the portal in landscape view. On the back, it shows that the portal can also be in vertical mode. Looks like on the side, it does call out that Alexa is built in. And then on the other side, it talks about some of the great features, which we'll dive into, such as the smart camera. You can use this to connect with really anyone with a Facebook portal or even without. It works with Messenger and WhatsApp. It's designed to feel at home, which this device is. It looks like a picture frame you'll see in a second. So let's open it right up. I'll unwrap this like Christmas Day. Got the portal, and inside we have the power connector as well as the stand for the device. And it looks like some instructions for those that still read those. So we'll set this off to the side. What's really interesting about this device is the charger port is also the stand. Plugs right in the back of the device. Stand that up, put in the power. So talking about this device, let's start with the top. Right up here, it has a 13 megapixel camera, which is incredibly HD, as well as a 103-degree field of view. So that essentially means you can get a good portion of your room in the camera. But this is where the secret sauce comes in for this. This camera will actually follow you around the room and focuses in on who's talking. So if there's one person in the house and they're moving around the room, or you're like me and you have a 1-year-old and a 3-year-old and they're running everywhere when you're trying to talk to grandma and grandpa, as they're talking, this camera will follow them and keep them in focus as they're talking. And then if everyone's talking or everyone's jumping in, it will zoom out to capture everyone. Another great benefit with Facebook Portal is the built-in AR effects. So when you're having calls with family, friends, coworkers, and you wanna add some fun music to it, animations or special effects, all that is built in and done through Facebook Portal's AR effects. So if you buy a smart display, you buy a smart camera for your home, most of them you can go right in the app and you can disable the mic or disable the camera. What Facebook did was they actually put in active shutter controls. So right there on the top, if I shut it, boom. Now jumping into the smart display. My life personally, we have one of these in our kitchen and we love it because it helps us keep on track, keeps us organized. With the built-in Alexa, I can watch shows on it while I'm in the kitchen, cooking, making cookie dough. And speaking of cookie dough, when my hands are all messy with the gooey awesomeness and someone rings my smart doorbell, I can just say, Alexa, which is built into this, show me the front door. Boom, my front door is on the screen. Makes it really easy with that voice assistant. It's a helpful friend. Pull up recipes, see who's at the front door, check in on the nursery. It's also phenomenal for working in the workplace as well, or work from home. Has that built-in assistant so it can keep you scheduled, your calendar, and since it works with Zoom, most businesses do use Zoom as a platform. So you could use this for work to always be able to really be in view, have the best audio for your coworkers. And with that, speaking of work, I gotta get back to it. And that's it. Facebook Portal, 10-inch smart display and smart camera. I'm Justin from Best Buy. Until next time.